Let me be real with you, 99% of beginners will fail at making money online. And no, it's not because they are lazy, it's not because they are not smart, it's because they are being lied to. They are sold the dream, but not the truth. They are copying what they see online, chasing trends with zero strategy. I was one of them too. So if you're tired of spinning in circle or feeling like everyone else is making money but you, keep watching, because I'm about to tell you what they don't. The first reason why most people fail to make money online is simple. They think it's a get-rich-quick scheme. They think all they need to do is upload one design on a product, sit back and wait for money to start rolling in. Or just open up ChatGPT and ask it to create a template, post it on Amazon, and boom, $10,000 per month. I wish. See, what most of these gurus sell you is the result: the freedom, the money, the screenshot. But what they don't tell you is the reality: the sleepless nights, the failed ideas, the days you question if you're even doing the right things. Let's be real for a second, okay? Is making money online possible? Yes. Is it going to happen overnight? Absolutely not. Will you work harder than your 9 to 5 in the beginning? 1000% yes. But that's a part most people don't want to hear. They want comfort, not commitment. I know someone who started their channel, posted every single week, edited their own videos, learned SEO, failed multiple times, and still only made $6 in their first 2 years. That person was Grant Stephan. Today, he makes millions per year. But imagine if he quit after that first 24 months of just $6. This online thing, it's not a quick lottery ticket. It's a long game, but it's a one game that can free you from the metric. Make you live life on your terms and create real wealth if you're ready to put in the work. So yeah, I'll always tell you the truth. Making money online is sweet, but it is not magic. And if you're not ready to grind a little bit for your shine, this might not be for you. Reason number 2, shining object syndrome. Let me tell you, the second reason why people fail to make money online is shining object syndrome. Today, you are doing dropshipping. Tomorrow is affiliate marketing. Next week, you're uploading low content books to Amazon KDP. And before you know it, you've tried 5 different things and haven't made a single dollar from any of them. Listen, it's not the strategy that failed, it's that you never gave it a real shot. And I say that with love because I was the same. One week I was reading a blog, next week I was making Instagram 10 pages, then I jumped into freelance gigs. All I did was start over and over, but never gave anything enough time to work. Here's what I wish someone told you from day one. Pick one thing, stick with it, give it your full attention, learn it, then grind for at least 90 days before saying this doesn't work. Because the real reason why it's not working isn't the business, is that you never gave it a chance. The third reason why people fail, they don't protect their online business. Let me explain. You start testing products, running multiple shops, maybe it's Etsy, maybe it's TikTok, or maybe you're just juggling some few Facebook accounts for different pages. All legit, okay? No funny business. Just a serious entrepreneur trying to grow multiple streams of income. But these platforms, they don't care. All they see is suspicious activity. One of my close friends owns 3 Etsy stores because she loves testing different niches or different products. She's making good amounts of money from 2 of her shops. One day, she logged in just as usual and boom, all her stock banned. No warning, no explanation, just an email saying that she violated some policy. All her marketing effort gone. And this isn't just Etsy. I've seen happen on Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, Amazon. This is one of the most frustrating parts to be an online entrepreneur. Getting penalized just by working really hard. That's why if you're serious to make money online, you need smart tools like Go Login. Go Login lets you create multiple browser profiles, each one with its own IP address, cookies, and fingerprint, so platforms don't track and flag your activity. This isn't about cheating the system, it's about protecting your hustle, babes. Because nothing odd when you get banned, just when things start getting better. Big platform track your fingerprint. They know when multiple logins are coming from the same device, even if you use incognito or a VPN. That's where Go Login changes the game. With Go login, you can run multiple accounts safely, scale your business without bans, manage client profiles separately, and even outsource tasks without risking access. I wish I had Go login when I started. It would have saved me from so many banned accounts and hours of frustration. Let me show you how easy it is to set up. To download Go login, head to Go login website. The link is down in the description. Click download, choose your operating system, install the app, and open it. Next, create a browser profile. Click add profile and name it based on what you are using it for. For example, UK Etsy or US TikTok. Scroll down to advanced and under start URL, paste the website you want to open first. For example, www.etsy.com. Step 3. Set your proxy location. Choose your country. You can pick US, UK, Canada, Germany, etc. This makes it look like you are browsing directly from that country. Step 4. To launch your profile, hit run. A brand new browser window will open, completely isolated with its own unique identity, IP address, and location, making it look like a totally different person is logging in. You are now safe to log in, work, and grow without triggering ban. Repeat this process to create separate environments for every account or clients you manage. We all know that Etsy isn't available to everyone. If you are from countries like Nigeria, Pakistan, or part of Asia, you've probably tried to create an account with Etsy, but you hit the wall because of location restrictions. But here's the thing, it's not just Etsy. Many platforms limit your access based on where you're from, even when you have the skills and product ready to go. This tool kills the location barrier. Whether you're running a CPA marketing campaign, accessing the TikTok creator fund in regions where it's not available, running paid ads without risking bans or account flags, managing multiple Etsy store or Facebook shop without the risk of getting banned. If you've ever felt stuck because of where you live, this is your way around it. No matter how you're making money, whether it's subbing captures, freelancing, doing micro tags, referrals, or managing multiple accounts across platforms, Go Login can help you do it smarter, safer, and way more profitably. Click the link down in the description to try Go Login for free and see how it helps you protect your hustle and grow your online income without the stress of bans or shutdown. You can also use my coupon code Diana Deals to get 40% off the price. So I'll leave a link down in the description for you to start your free trial. Reason number 4. The place CEO with employees mindset. Everyone wants the title, I'm building a business, but they still wait to be told what to do. They wait for step-by-step hand-holding. They wait for motivation from other people. They get stuck in, is this the right way? Instead of just making a decision and moving. They love the idea of making money online. But when it's time to do the same boring tasks every single day, nah. Real online income comes when you start thinking like the boss. You don't ask permission, you plan, you tax, you invest, and let's be real, most people don't want to take risk. They want to play it safe, stay comfortable. Meanwhile, the real 1%, they do the opposite. Even though a tool or a system can help them stand out, they invest in it, girl. But you rather blow that money on the pedicure or buy yourself a new outfit because you feel like it's easier than actually investing in your future. This isn't a job, babes. There is no manager checking in. So it's either you take ownership or you keep playing business forever. Remember, your business will only grow as much as you're ready to invest in it, whether that's time or money. If you treat it like a hobby, it will pay you like one. But if you treat it like a real business, it will give you real returns. Now, here's the good news. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be tech savvy. You just need to decide that you are not quitting this time. You are not jumping to the next trend. You are not giving up after one video flops or just after one product fails. Because if one person can make money online, why not you? Why not now? So, are you ready to take that leap? Because there is no magic formula to make money online. Just commitment, consistency, and the right mood. Drop a yes down in the comments if you're ready to stop playing it safe and start taking your online business seriously. It's time to treat it like the real opportunity it is. You are one decision away from a different life. So the question is, are you ready to bet on yourself? See you in the next video.